In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to Nutshell CRM. By the end, your emails will flow directly into Nutshell so you can track conversations without manual copy and paste and keep your sales process organized and up to date. First, open Nutshell. Look toward the lower left corner of your screen for your user icon. Click it, then choose your settings. This takes you to your personal settings area, where you control things like email and calendar connections. Now, find the email section. You might need to scroll a bit depending on your screen size. When you see it, click the option that says Set up email with Nutshell. This is where the connection process begins. Next, choose Connect with Google. When you click that, a Google sign-in window will pop up. If it doesn't appear, make sure your browser isn't blocking pop-ups. In the Google window, select the Gmail account you want to connect to Nutshell. If you're already signed in to more than one Google account, be sure to pick the one you actually use for your work email. Google will then show a permission screen explaining what access Nutshell needs to sync your messages. Review the details, and when you're ready, click Allow. This secure process uses Google's standard sign-in, so you're not sharing your password with Nutshell, just granting the connection. After the connection completes, head to the Sync email settings within Nutshell. Here's where you turn the connection into an active sync. Toggle Enable Email Sync on. Once enabled, Nutshell will begin pulling in your Gmail messages so they can be linked to your contacts and timelines. The initial sync may take a few minutes, especially if you have a busy inbox. You'll also see a choice for what to sync. If you want everything to appear in Nutshell automatically, select the option to sync all emails. If you prefer more control, choose to sync only emails labeled Nutshell in Gmail. With that setting, only conversations that you label in Gmail will flow into Nutshell, which is great if you want to keep personal or unrelated messages out of your CRM. Just apply the Nutshell label in Gmail to any email thread you want to see in your account. That's it for the core setup. If you need extra guidance or run into something unexpected, the Nutshell Help Center has up-to-date articles and troubleshooting tips. And remember, you can revisit your email settings anytime to adjust your sync preference. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the time you'll save with Gmail connected to Nutshell CRM.